Hey folks, welcome back. In today's video, I will be introducing live currency exchange rates for consolidated reports. With Geocon's consolidated reports, Xero and QuickBooks users can easily combine data from multiple sources to create insightful overviews of businesses' performances. But that's not all. Geocon is the only application which allows live exchange rates for consolidated reports. There are numerous benefits of using Geocon to streamline and simplify your accounting processes. Let's emphasize on some of the key benefits. First, Geocon users can create consolidated reports, which includes data from multiple organizations and different currencies, and convert reports into one desired currency. With automation, users can also automatically update currency exchange rates and display reports in the latest currency exchange rate. With report creation, users can select the exact date they need and rest assured that date exchange rates will be implemented in their results. Finally, users also have the ability to generate consolidated reports for periods and apply currency exchange rates for each period. This is a unique feature that only Geocon has. Now, I will show you how to create consolidated reports from the QuickBooks. To start, you need to select Geocon for QuickBooks by clicking the Consolidated Report menu option. Please keep in mind that you need to have at least 2 QuickBooks organizations in order to be able to generate the consolidated report. The next step is to select all entities in order to be able to generate the consolidated reports. In this example, we have 2 organizations, G-Accon and Startup, and you will then select both. Next, you will have to select the desired financial report, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow from the drop-down filter. In our example, we will go ahead and select profit and loss. Now, let's assume we need to generate reports in euros. The first step is to select a currency. The next step is to identify how you will get your currency rates. To do this, you would have to click on the radio button that says Use Latest Rates, or you can click on the Use Custom Rates or the Use Custom Rates for periods. Please note that you can either request the current exchange rate from the currency exchange rate provider, or you can set your own custom exchange rates. If you select the latest exchange rate and click on the Execute button, the consolidated report will be generated based on the latest available exchange rate from the exchange rate provider. Every time you refresh this report, the latest exchange rate will be used. The next option is to set up the custom rates. First, you need to select the Use Custom Rate and enter the desired date. In this example, we will use January 3rd. Then you must click the refresh icon to get the exchange rate for this specific date. And then you will click on the Update and Execute button. Once loaded, this is what you will then see on your screen. Now, I will go ahead and show you the third option, which is when you click Use Custom Rates for Period. Now, this feature allows you to automatically receive live exchange rates for each of your periods. This can also help you manually modify any exchange rate in the template, or you can create a separate exchange rate tab in your spreadsheet, which is where you can modify the values and use them in report generating processes. Then your last step is to generate a consolidated report by clicking on the Update and Execute button. Here you can see our consolidated report. Now we are ready to set up automation. You need to select Automation, Create Workflow, Then you'll go ahead and enter the name and description. Then you will select a template. And then you'll go ahead and schedule the automation to hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, and of course a time. Then you will apply and execute to set up the automation. The Geocon team hopes the consolidated reports will make your routine easier and faster. And as always, we are looking forward to hearing your feedback, requests, and ideas. If you have any questions or if you just need help, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thanks for sticking around, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the little bell button to get notifications to our channel to get the latest information about GAccon software tools. Until next time, GeoCounties, stay safe.